Hello everyone, I'm Steffi Souza, student of Parvatibai Chukle College of Arts and Science from the Department of Sociology. So today I'll be speaking on Smile Foundation in India, which is a very famous NGO. So moving forward, what is Smile Foundation? So basically Smile Foundation is a non-profit and an Indian social development organization benefiting over 15 lakh children and their families every year through 400 welfare projects on education, healthcare, livelihood and women empowerment in more than 950 remote villages and slums across 25 states of India. Smile Foundation had evolved as an education, livelihood, medical NGO as well as NGO for women empowerment. Children, their families, and the community are the target group of this organization with children at the center stage. Smile Foundation was established in the year 2002 by Santanu Mishra. Based out of New Delhi, India, the foundation achieves its goals through a number of programs. Inspired by Sanchez philosophy, a group of young corporate professionals came together in this year 2002 to set up Smile Foundation to work with grassroots initiatives for affecting positive changes in the lives of underprivileged children, their families and the communities. The realization of a group of young corporate professionals, that is, it was their social responsibility to give back to the society, laid the foundation of Smile. Santanu Mishra is a co-founder and executive trustee of Smile Foundation, a national level development organization that was founded by him and his friends. So he was born on 7 July 1965 in Sambalpur, Odisha. He comes from a background where volunteerism comes naturally from school days. He completed his graduation in commerce stream. Santanu is an alumnus of Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, an associate member of Institute of Company Secretaries of India, and a qualified lawyer. He is also known for producing I Am Kalam 2010. So the logo of Smile Foundation means to bring smile on each and every face of young children who have no shelter or who are deprived of basic necessities. So this organization works with the mission to empower underprivileged children, youth and women through relevant education, innovative healthcare and market-focused livelihood programs. Their vision is to work as a catalyst in bringing sustainable change in the lives of underprivileged children, youth, and women with a life cycle approach of development. They believe that unless members of the civil society are involved proactively in the process of development, sustainable change will not happen. So, believing in this principle of civic driven change, Smile Foundation sensitizes the civil society to make it an active partner in all its welfare initiatives. So, one of the most unique feature is that it induces inquiry learning, knowledge and confidence among the students. In the mission education centers of Smile Foundation, there are many students who come from urban slums and rural areas and perform well in studies. Their work has reached to 24 states of India. It has its organization in Goa as well. It's located in Santa Cruz in the north. So where does Smile Foundation get their funds from? Pre-grant proposals can be submitted anytime. So the Smile Foundation accepts pre-proposals from grassroots non-government organizations throughout India and all around the world. Grant requests can be made for projects addressing the needs of children, their families, and the larger community. Some funding areas are education, healthcare, livelihood, and women empowerment. Education. Mission Education Program is an initiative formulated for the education of underprivileged children. The program provides basic education and health care to underprivileged children to preschool, that is 3 to 6 years, non-formal education, that is 6 to 14 years, which is non-school going, remedial education, that is 6 to 14 years, that is school going, and bridge course, that is 14 to 18 years dropouts. Working for the education of the needy children also helps children in situations like child labor, children of poorest of the parents, children inflicted and affected with HIV or AIDS, street and runaway children, children with rare disabilities, disaster-struck children, and slums children. Healthcare. Smile on Wheels program is another initiative that involves a unique mobile hospital program seeking to address problems of mobility, accessibility, and availability of primary health care. The most important thing is that it takes healthcare to the doorsteps of the urban poor and underserved villages in the remote rural areas and urban slums. Livelihood. Smile Twin e-learning program, that is STEP, is an initiative by Smile Foundation that aims at creating a pool of young and independent people from the marginalized section through skill enhancement with market requirements. Women empowerment. Swabhiman is an initiative formulated to save the girl child, empower poor, and support women empowerment. The scheme works on 4 S models. Firstly, seeking healthcare as a behavior. Secondly, support through education. Thirdly, support from men through male involvement. And fourthly, sustaining change in the community. So there are also some sites where people can donate some money to this NGO so that it can help at least the child in some way or the other. 2016 to 17 has been a year marked by growth in all aspects. The multiplied number of direct beneficiaries whose lives have been positively impacted, or the many successful partnerships with their stakeholders and supporters. So there are many successful events held by this NGO, but I have mentioned only 2 main events, and they are Health Camp in Goa and the Awareness Drive in Mumbai. So in Goa, a free health camp was organized by Smile Foundation in association with Presentation Center Vasco under Health with Smile program focusing on girl children and women. More than 70 beneficiaries attended the camp where awareness tips about personal hygiene and common issues in reproductive health were highlighted besides the general health checkup. The next was the awareness drive in Mumbai on the slogan "Don't employ, empower them." Smile Foundation children held an awareness drive in Mumbai on the eve of International Labour Day. The objective was to sensitize privileged citizens to prevent the practice of children labor and instead empower them with the power of education. The sensitization effort continued for more than 3 hours near Church Gate. Many celebrities and actors, including Divyanka Tripathi, and more than 200 citizens participated in the campaign. Members of the media took a responsible and active role in spreading message with Smile Foundation. So this is the official website link of Smile Foundation. Thank you.